Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to use threshold. Okay, for example, I will open this image. Then I will only select these objects to threshold. So I will use these tools, object selection tools. You can sort. And we're waiting for Photoshop to generating selections with this tool. After it, you can go to image and then click on adjustment. So in here you can click on threshold to be sure for threshold dialog box, and you can click at these points to increase and decrease the threshold like this. If you don't, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to use threshold tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.